Hey dear maths lovers and curious minds. Today our journey to uncover the treasure hidden in this equation. Now we have 9th root of x power 5 into x power 4 plus 8 whole square is equal to 9. Now we have to find x using our math skills. Are you ready? Let's get started. We know the formula a power mn is equal to a power m plus n. So 9th root of x power 5 plus 4 plus 8 whole square is equal to 9. X power 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9th root and x power 9 will cancel out. Then we get x plus 8 whole square is equal to 9. This is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. X square plus 2 into x into 8 plus 8 square is equal to 9. 8 square is 64 and minus 9 is 55, so we can write it as x square plus 16x plus 55 is equal to 0. This is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. To find the roots of the equation as x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute a equals 1b equals 16c equals 55 in the roots equation. On solving we get minus 16 plus or minus square root 36 by 2. Then substitute with 1 time as plus and also 1 time with minus sign, then we get 2x values. X is equal to minus 5 and minus 11. Then substitute x values in our equation. X plus 8 whole square is equal to 9. First substitute x is equal to minus 5, then minus 5 plus 8 whole square is equal to 9. 3 square is equal to 9, then 9 equals 9, so LHS equals RHS. Now take x is equal to minus 11. Minus 11 plus 8 whole square is equal to 9. Minus 3 square is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. LHS is equal to RHS. So there you have it, folks. We found x together. If you enjoyed with this treasure hunt through numbers, don't forget to smash that like button. And subscribe for more math adventure. Comment below what you want to explore next. Until next time, keep questioning the universe and happy learning.